Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to read Unit 1, that is Amin and the Eggs. So let's come to page number 11. इस कहानी में हम पढ़ेंगे कि ये कहानी एक आदमी के ऊपर है जिसका नाम अमीन है और वो एक ताजर है, यानी कि काम करने वाला है। वो पहले किसान होता है और फिर ताजर बन जाता है। वो ताजर क्यों बनता है? क्योंकि एक कहत साली का एक वक्त आता है जबकि पूरे गांव में साल भर बारिश नहीं होती, जिसकी वजह से उसकी सारी फसल ज़ाया हो जाती है और वो जो है एक दूसरे गांव जाकर शिफ्ट होने का फ़ैसला करता है। और वो वहाँ जाकर बहुत सारी मेहनत करता है और जब वो बहुत सारे पैसे कमा लेता है तो वो अपने गांव वापस आता है। लेकिन वो जाने से पहले जो है किसी से उधार लेता है। वो एक ताजिर से उबले हुए अंडे लेके जाता है ताकि वो रास्ते में खा सके। और वो जब वापस आता है तो वो जो ताजिर होता है वो उसके ऊपर केस कर देता है कि ये जो है मेरे अंडों की वजह से जो है इतना अमीर हुआ है, ये यहाँ से गया, इसने मेरे अंडे बेचे, मेरे अंडों ने जो है वो बच्चे दिए, जिसकी वजह से उन बच्चों ने और बच्चे दिए और इस तरीके से इनका जो है अमीन का जो है वो बिज़नेस बढ़ता गया। और ये जो सारी दौलत है ये मेरी दौलत है, तो जो है वो उसके ऊपर कुछ चार्ज लगाते हैं। और वो चार्ज कितना होता है अपने अंडों के बदले में, वो हम इस स्टोरी में पढ़ते हैं। आइए हम अपनी स्टोरी की शुरुआत करते हैं, लेकिन स्टोरी शुरू करने से पहले लेट्स हैव द स्टार्टर एक्टिविटी। Here are two pictures. Look at them. What will happen next? Draw or write the answer in each of the box beside the picture. Here is the picture, what is happening now and what will happen next. Like I have written that a chick will hatch from egg. A chick will hatch from egg, or we can also say that a hen will hatch a chick. Okay, a man is sowing some beans and here is a plant. So what will happen to the plant? The plant will grow into will grow from a seed, or after sowing a seed a plant will grow and this plant will become a tree. So whatever reason you might write it over here. Okay, now read the story. Once upon a time there was a man called Amin. As I told you, the story is about a man called Amin. He lost all his crops in a drought. Drought is a period of time when there is no rain for a long period of time. So Amin lost all of his crops in a drought. Amin decided to look for a work in another village. He decided to go to another village and off he went on his donkey. He went on his donkey. Before he left, he bought a dozen hard-boiled eggs. He bought a dozen hard-boiled eggs from a merchant and promised him to pay later. So he basically taken it as a debt. 7 years later, Amin returned to his village. He came on a fine black horse. Behind him was a camel carrying bags full of gold and silver coins. So after 7 years of time, Amin returned back to his village and he was sitting on a fine black horse, a very expensive horse, and behind him was a camel, and the camel was carrying two bags full of gold coins and silver coins. Amin was very rich now. The news soon spread through the village. The news of becoming Amin rich spread throughout the village. Soon the merchant who had given him the dozen boiled eggs knocked Amin's door. Pay back the debt you owe me, he said. Give me 500 silver coins for the eggs you bought. Amin refused to pay such large sum, so the merchant took his complaint to the judge. After when the news was spread throughout the village, जब ये न्यूज़ के अमीन वापस आ गया है और इतना अमीर हो गया है, जब ये बात पूरे गांव में फैल चुकी थी, तो मर्चेंट क्या करता है, वो उसके गेट पर आता है एंड ही said that to pay back his debt. What is debt? Debt is the money that we borrow from someone and we have to pay back. हम ये भी कह सकते हैं उधार को क्या कहते हैं, डेट कहते हैं, कि वो कहता है कि मेरा उधार वापस करो जो आपने मुझसे लिया था. ही सैड, उसने ये भी कहा कि गिव मी 500 silver coins for the eggs you bought, and he was asking for 500 silver coins just for 1 dozen boiled egg. अमीन रिफ्यूज़ टू पे सच ए लार्ज अमाउंट. अमीन ने जो है मना कर दिया कि वो इतनी पे अमाउंट लार्ज अमाउंट नहीं देगा. सो द मर्चेंट टुक हिज कंप्लेंट टू द जज. The merchant appeared in the court, but there was no sign of Amin. The judge waited and waited. So it was the day of trial, and everyone was there in a court, but Amin was not there. Suddenly Amin rushed in. Suddenly Amin rushed into the court out of his breath, and he was out of his breath means like when someone is taking breath again and again, and he was taking the breath with difficulty as he came from running, or he might be tired. What's the reason? Let's read it. At once the merchant said, "My lord, 7 years ago this man took 12 eggs from me. 12 eggs would have become 12 chickens. These chickens would have become hens and cocks." So now after the Amin appeared in the court, the merchant said, "My lord." My lord means a phrase. It is a phrase used to address a judge. Like whenever you want to talk to me, you said teacher. So this is the same way whenever you want to talk to a judge, you may say my lord. So my lord, 7 years ago this man Amin took 1 dozen egg from me. He didn't mention that those eggs were boiled. He just said that this man bought 1 dozen eggs from me, and those eggs would become chickens, and those chickens would become hens and cocks, and the hens would have laid more eggs. The egg would have hatched into chickens. After 7 years I would have had a large flock of birds. Now Amin must pay me 500 silver coins for all the birds I have lost. So now this man is saying that due to that loss that Amin had given me by taking 12 eggs from me, and by earning all this amount from those 12 eggs, now he must have to pay me 500 silver coins for the loss that I have faced due to Amin. You are right, agreed the judge. Now after listening to the situation, the judge said to the merchant that you are right. He returned to Amin with an angry look and said, "What do you have to say? And by the way, why are you late?" After saying that you are right, Amin, the judge returned. He returned to the Amin and said that, "What do you have to say? And why you are late?" पहले तो ये बताएं कि आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, और इसके अलावा ये भी पूछे कि आप लेट क्यों हुए हैं. Amin said, "My lord, I had a plate of boiled beans in the house. Before coming here, I planted them in the garden so that I will have a good crops next year." Amin replied to the judge by saying that, "My lord, I have had a plate of boiled beans at my house, and before coming here I planted all those beans so that after 1 year I might get some plants next year." "Fool!" exclaimed the judge. "How can boiled beans grow into anything?" Now the judge asked that, "What foolish are you talking about? How can boiled beans hatch into plant or turn into plant?" Amin replied, "Yes, indeed, my lord. And how can boiled eggs hatch into chickens?" Now Amin, by replying, said that, "Yes, indeed, हाँ बेशक." अब जज, माय लॉर्ड, मुझे ये भी बता दें कि बॉयल्ड एग किस तरीके से वो चिकन्स में बदल सकते हैं, जिस तरीके से ये मर्चेंट जो है वो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है. एंड दैट्स हाउ अमीन वॉन हिज केस. और इस तरीके से अमीन जो है अपना केस जीत गया, ये एक्सप्लेनेशन देने के बाद कि जिस तरीके से बॉयल्ड बीन्स जो है वो प्लांट में नहीं बदल सकते, सेम बॉयल्ड एग्स जो है वो चिकन्स में नहीं बदल सकते. होप यू हैव एन्जॉयड दिस स्टोरी. डू सेंड मी योर वीडियोज़ वाइल रीडिंग इट. जज़ाकल्लाह खैरन कसीरा. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.